Hello, Rachel.
Hi there.
And tell us a little bit about what your experience has been at Evolution over the past year you've been with us.
Well, when I started with Evolution, I was afraid of weights. I was afraid of bulking up, and I was just scared. I didn't know what I was doing. But with the right direction and the right training, it's just turned into this evolution, if you will, that I've just developed the strength that I have. I've developed a love for working out. I'm passionate about it. I've just changed from one person to another. I'm a complete different person.
And how much weight have you lost?
It's almost 60 pounds. It's pretty cool, 60 pounds.
And tell us, like, one of the things that's really cool is you've gotten really strong. So if there's any women out there that are afraid of getting strong and bulking up by getting strong, tell us what your experience has been.
Yeah, you don't bulk up. I started lifting weights, of course with you, and I started at the lower weight, and I've been getting stronger and stronger, of course going heavier and heavier. And the heavier and heavier I get, the stronger and stronger I get, and the leaner I get. So no, you don't bulk up.
Well, actually, when you heard it, like you said, actually, after you started doing heavy deadlifts is when you first started realizing.
Yes, exactly. When I started doing deadlifts, like past 180, that's when I noticed the change, the big change, where I started to slim down, lose inches, and just tone up and just get stronger and stronger. My energy level has just gone through the roof. I mean, I'm just constantly go, go, go. I don't just strength train. I also do other stuff on my off days of strength training, which is cardio, which helps me keep busy because I have all this energy now that's like I have to release it.
That's awesome. And one of the things that I know you've been really really excited about here in the class is like how everyone kind of gets along. Tell people about what you feel about the community here that's been built.
Oh, it's awesome. Everybody is like close knit. We cheer each other on. There's no competition with each other. We're only in competition with ourselves, and we're trying to get ourselves to the next level. So if we lifted a certain amount last week, we want to lift a little heavier next week. We're never in competition with each other. We're not checking each other out to see what they're wearing. We don't care. We just want to cheer you on to get to your next level.
That's awesome. Thanks so much, Rachel. You are an inspiration and you're awesome.
No problem. Thank you, Denny.